Chapter 10, number 24. The hour hand on a certain clock is 8.2 centimeters long. Find the tangential speed of the tip of this hand. So we have a clock, and we have an hour hand with a distance I'm going to call L, and of course in the course of an hour, the hour hand goes around once, which means the period is 1 hour, which is 3,600 seconds, or 60 seconds per minute times 60 minutes per hour. All right, and then omega is 2 pi over t. What we're interested in is the speed v, that it's moving tangentially, and we know that v equals r omega, so it equals r times 2 pi over t. Think about it. You can think about it also, of course, as 2 pi r over t, the distance traveled over the time taken. And now we can just put in some numbers. 2 pi r times 8.2 centimeters over 3,600 seconds. We end up with 0.143117 centimeters per second, which by the fact that we have two sig figs is really 0014 centimeters per second, or about 1/10 of a millimeter per second.